Hi there. Check out these 16-inch modern house numbers made from high-quality black metal with a weather-resistant finish. These large numbers are cut with precision tools, giving them a stylish look and smooth surface texture that creates a stunning 3D shadow effect at night. Measuring 16 inches tall, they are easy to see from a distance, making your home address clear and attractive. Installation is simple with the included nail kit, template, and instructions, and can be completed in just 5 to 10 minutes. These versatile numbers work great on doors, mailboxes, gates, hotels, garages, and more, adding a modern touch wherever you use them. With their durable metal construction, they will stay looking new for years to come. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.